me this piping coming out of the wall. We're over on the west side of the garage. This piping is higher than 6 inches. Water heater, temperature pressure relief valve, drain line. It's supposed to discharge between 3 and 6 inches from the ground. It doesn't do that. It's too high. Coming inside of the garage, on the northwest corner of the garage, we have hidden the water heater. We put it behind a wall, okay? And that just shouldn't happen. All right. Now, as a good sport, sent out a letter of intent saying this should be accessible. And should I move something in order to gain accessibility and to provide my client with a better inspection, should I take it upon myself to do that, I'm not putting it back. I'm not putting it back. I might break it putting it back. I can't. I've already taken on more liability than I was required to. But this is the water heater. And we have insufficient service access inside of the water heater. It's been cased into the wall. Alright. Looks like we got some moisture. Looks like our water heater's been leaking. It's been leaking from there. Okay, we got a leaky old water heater leaking around there. Look at that. Okay, it's not holding water very well. This is our data plate. It says that it's 50 gallons and it's manufactured in 2005. 2005. It's 2023 now. It's telling us that we have an 18-year-old water heater. Alright, I can condemn it because of this. I can't condemn it because of its age. Water heaters have a 10-year estimated service life average. This water heater is about twice too old. Twice too old. Okay, it's an electric water heater. Coming up here, our temperature pressure relief valve right there, that should be insulated. Just like our water supply lines are insulated. Can I get that? Our water supply lines are insulated. Now, on the temperature pressure relief valve, that valve is supposed to be insulated. And then we can also see here that we've got our grounding, okay, and that's good. And then on our piping, I don't know. Let me look at this again. Get up in here. This is ridiculous. And on our piping, we do not have, we got rat turds. That smells good. Okay. We do not have dielectric unions on our water supply lines. We do not have insulation or T&P. Now, see this corrugated line? So long as it's soldered here, a lot of inspectors, not code inspectors, will get all in a bind because they'll say that reduces there's no code that's in place that says that you cannot use a flexible drain like that. That's not a problem. That not being insulated is a problem. This not having a vacuum breaker in the same room as the water heater is a problem. This discharging too high from the ground, again, is a problem. Okay, so we have problems with that. So we do not have, well, we do have a care and use manual, but you can't read it. And it's older. So what did we learn? We learned that our T&P drain line is too high. Our T&P drain valve is not insulated. We learned that the unit is almost 20 years old. We learned that we've got rust and corrosion on the tank where it's been leaking and inside the safety pan. That's what we learned. And we also learned that we got a super duper bass booster. Look at that. I gotta tell you, when I first stuck my head in here, I'm going like, what have I got myself into? It says right there JVC. It's a speaker. I guess it comes out this little thing right here, just kind of like magic music in the garage. There you go. So if you need a JVC Magic Booster speaker over your water heater, you got one right there. But it doesn't perform any function with the water heater.